Hello my Christian creators, welcome to today's video. And alright, so this is Wonders Media. If this is the first time watching this video, remember to subscribe to this channel. And so I just want you to stay with me while we check through our Google account, whether our Google account is actually in a safe hands. Okay, specifically our security status, whether our Google account is actually safe, so that we will be able to use that to create our Christian channel, that is our YouTube Christian channel, in order to avoid scammers, fraudsters, and all the intrusive people and hack into their channels. In order to avoid that, we would like to start by checking our channel. So without wasting my time, let's just get into it. So I want you to go to your settings. So maybe you have your Google account already on your phone. I just want you to just go to your settings. So my settings, and then I just scroll down to Google. Okay, according to the interface of my phone, I have mine here, just playing, showing me clearly that this is my Google services. Okay, but there are other phones that you are supposed to search. You can search by using the search tab in the settings. Okay, then you search for Google, and then it will come up. So here it is, you can just see it. And so let's get back. So we tap on the Google. We are checking whether our account is actually safe. Okay, you could see that this very account of mine is not safe. Whenever you open your Google account here and you see this symbol, this yellow sign, okay, it means that your account is not safe. Click on manage Google account, and then you swipe to the security tab. So from the security tab, then you check through whether you have actually set up your two-steps verification. Okay, your two-steps verification. So you can see that mine is off. I have not set it yet. So it means that that is where my account is at risk. And then you can choose to add your pass key or your security keys. I prefer that you do not do this because it sometimes looks very complicated when you are not too much into IT. Please don't venture, because you might get locked out of your account. Then you can just check through, and then you'll be able to add your recovery phone number or your recovery email address. When you do this, you can either choose to add an authenticator app without doing the two-steps verification, but I prefer that you do the two steps. It's very simple and it's very quick to go. I'll just tap on my two-steps verification, just click on continue, use my fingerprint, and they recognize that yes, I am the one. Here it is. I just have to add a phone number. When I add a phone number over here and I tap on add a phone number, okay, let me just tap in 0249198777. So from there, after typing in your phone number, then you tap on next. Okay, immediately the code is here, and you just have to copy, and then you paste in your code. So that's it, you are good to go, and you had a message. You are now protected with two-steps verification, and that's it, done. So immediately you tap on this turn off two-steps verification. That means that your account is still at risk. So let's just go back. Okay, so you could see that two-steps verification, this green dot is just here, and that's very beautiful. So from there, let's just move to our recovery email. Add an email address. Okay, you are either to choose whether to add a phone number or you add an email. Well, let me just add a recovery email using this email of mine. So from there, I tap on next, and then it shows that I should verify whether it's me. So they have actually sent me a 6-digit code to my current email address that I just used to be my recovery email. So in this case, you are supposed to have two Google accounts, okay, so that you'll be able to use the other one for a recovery email. So this is the message. We have the verification code over here, that is the recovery code. Copy, and then you move to that very section. Okay, whoa, it's gone. So it's gone. So let's just do this quickly. We go back there to the security tab, and then yes, so definitely then I tap in my code and I'm good to go. recovery email verified. You could see the tap over here is very powerful, very fast. So we are now done with the recovery. Okay, so just refresh and see your security. My recovery email is set up, and I can choose to add a phone number. You can choose to do that when you want using this symbol. Okay, so you can see that this very symbol is now there. That shows that our account is safe. You could see that the yellow thing just turned into a green shield, and that is very good. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video.